Hi students, ಇದು CET 2021 sets relations and function in a part 3. In this video, we discuss problems. The first example, already we discussed 16 problems. ಮೊದಲನೇ example, range of the functions f of x is equal to 9 minus 7 times sin x is. The first option A, open interval 2 to 16. Second options B, closed interval 2 to 16. Option C, closed interval minus 1 to plus 1. Options D, semi-closed interval 2 to 16. Here find the range of the functions f of x is equal to 9 minus 7 times sin x. Here 9 is a fixed real numbers, 9. It not depends on x. Here subtracting 7 times sin x, the function is the sine functions. Therefore, the range of these functions depends on sine functions. Here you know that the range of the sine functions, the closed interval minus 1 to plus 1. Idu namagu gottide. It means the minimum value is minus 1 and the maximum value is plus 1. You get the minimum value of f of x means the 7 times sin x is maximum irbeku, and maximum value of f of x we get when minimum value of 7 times sin x minimum irbeku. Therefore, here you know that maximum of the given functions f of x means its value is equal to minimum value of sin x iddaga. Minimum value of sin x is minus 1. Therefore, 9 minus 7 times sin x in a minimum value is minus 1. No, 9 minus 7 into minus 1 minus minus plus 9 plus 7 16. And maximum value of sin x iddaga you get the given functions f of x get the minimum value. Therefore, minimum value of this functions f of x is equal to 9 minus 7 times sin x is maximum means 1. 9 minus 7, its value is equal to 2. Here sin x is belongs to the closed interval minus 1 to plus 1. Here plus 1 and minus 1s are included. Therefore, the range of these functions is always the minimum value is 2, 2 is included, and maximum value is 6. Therefore, the range of these functions closed interval 2 to 16. Range means it is greater than or is equal to minimum value of the given functions and maximum value of the given functions. Both are exist. Therefore, range is equal to the closed interval 2 to 16. Therefore, options B is correct options. Right? The next example. Example number 18. Let set A, it contains the elements 1, 2, set 1, 2, 3. Just say A contains the elements 1, 2, set containing 1, 2, 3. It is the single elements. Then which of the following is correct? The given options. A, set 1, 2, 3 is belongs to the set A. Option B, set 1, 2, 3 is a subset of set A. Option C, set 1, 2, 3 is belongs to power set of A. And options D, 3 is an elements of the set A. Set 1, 2, set containing 1, 2, 3 is a set A. It's clear? 1, 2, set 1, 2 is a elements of set A. Set 1, 2, 3 is a subset of set A. Set 1, 2 is an elements of power set of A. And part D, 3 is an elements of A. Which one is correct? One by one. Here verifying. The options say set 1, 2 is an elements of a set A. It is belongs to set A means is an elements of a set A. Here you know that A is a set containing only 3 elements. First element is 1 and second element is 2 and the third element is set 1, 2, 3. Set 1, 2, 3 is an element of a set A. A ದಲ್ಲಿರೋದು only 3 elements. ಒಂದು element 1, 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು elements. Set 1, 2, 3 also element of a set A. Therefore, you can say that set 1, 2 is not a elements of a set A. It is a subset of A. It is a subset of A. Therefore, the first one is not correct. It is a subset of A. And options B. Here given that set 1, 2, 3 is a subset of set A. But here you know that the set 1, 2, 3 is an elements of a set A. It is not a subset. It is an elements of a set A. Therefore, the second options B is not true. And the options C, f of A means it is the power set of a set A. Power set means the set of all subset of a set A. Here you know that set 1, 2 is a subset of a set A. Therefore, this set 1, 2 is an elements of a power set of a set A. Therefore, you can say that C is the correct choice. And just for knowledge, here 3 is an elements of a set A. 3 is not an elements of a set A. Here set 1, 2, 3 is an element of a set A. Therefore, 3 is not an elements of a set A. A dalli only 3 elements 1, 2 and set 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the fourth one is also not true. Here the correct option is option C, set 1, 2, 3 set of a set A, or set 1, 2 is a elements of a power set of a set A. Therefore, option C is right options. Next example, 19th. A set A has 7 elements. Then the number of subset of a set A having at least 3 elements is. A set A has 7 elements. Then number of subset of a set A. Here find the total number of subset of a set A having at least 3 elements, minimum 3 elements iruvanta total number of subset. Option A 128, options B 127, option C 120 and options D 119. Here find the total number of subset of a set A. The condition is the subset containing at least minimum 3 elements iruvanta set beku. You know that the total number of subset of a set A, the number of elements in power set of A, or the total number of subset of a set A is 2 raised to n. Here n contains A containing 7, n is equal to 7, this value is equal to 128. It is the total number of subset of a set A. Therefore, option A is not true. Clear? The next. Here you know that set, the total number of subset means it including the set containing 0 elements, null set, set containing 1 element, set containing 2 elements and set containing 3, 4 up to 7 elements. The condition is A having at least 3 elements, minimum 3 elements irbeku. Therefore, here deleting the total number of subset having 0 elements, 1 elements and 2 elements anna total subset alli ನಾವು delete ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ number of subset of a set having 0 elements, 1 elements and 2 elements is exactly equal to total number of elements 7 ide 7C0 and 1 element set is 7C1, 2 element set is 7C2. Its value is 7C0, its value is 1, 7C1 its value is equal to 7 and 7C2 you know that its value is 21. Therefore, total number of subset set containing at most 2 elements 0, 1 and 2 its value is equal to 29. But here asking at least 3 elements means therefore the number of power set of a set A minus the set containing 0 elements, 1 elements, 2 elements anna we get the set, the subset having at least 3 elements, that is 128 minus 29, its value is equal to 119. Therefore, option D is the right options. It's clear? The next, 20th. If a relations are on a set containing 1, 2, 3 be defined by the relations R, it containing 1, 1 singleton set. This one is the order pair 1, 1. Then R is the first options A, reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Options B, symmetric but not transitive. Option C, transitive but not symmetric. And options D, symmetric and transitive. Here R is a subset of A cross A. A means the set containing 1, 2, 3. R containing only one elements, trivial elements, set containing the elements 1, 1. Here you know that 2 and 3 is belongs to R. 2, 2 and 3, 3 is not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Verifying reflexive, symmetric and transitive, but directly you can say that 2 is belongs to A and 3 is belongs to A, but 2, 2 and 3, 3 is not belongs to R. Therefore, not R is not reflexive. Therefore, the first option is not true. It's clear? The next, here you know that 1, 1 is belongs to R. It's the reverse 1, 1 again. Is also is belongs to the same set R. Therefore, R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Therefore, option C is not true. Either options B or options D. Here verifying transitive. Here you know that just remember 1, 1, 1, 1 is belongs to R. 1 ಅನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ A, B, B, C, A, A is belongs to R, R is transitive ಅಂತನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Or the single element or single ton set or order pair A, it is the trivial relations ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. It is always transitive relations. Either using by contradictions method, or you can say that it is trivial relation is always transitive. Just remember the relations containing only one elements, it is always transitive. Therefore, you can say that this relation is symmetric and transitive. Therefore, options D is correct options. The next example. The 21st questions, if the functions f of x is defined, it is a real valid function, x square divided by 1 plus x square. He say functions from real number to real number. Then f of x is the first option A, 1, 1 function. Options B, onto function. Option C, the range of this function is semi-open intervals 0 to 1. And options D, 1, 1 and onto. Here you know that 1, 1 functions means different elements of R, real number has the different image. Onto means the codomain is exactly equal to range of the functions. First verify it is 1, 1 functions means here it is clearly you have know that it is a square function, so x square. The range is the set, domain is set of all real numbers. If f of x equal to x square divided by 1 plus x square. Clear ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ suppose you can taking either x is one is positive, another one is negative. Either taking x is equal to 1 and minus 1 or 2 and minus 2, any numbers. One is the a and minus a. Here a is not equal to minus a, 1 is not equal to minus 1, but you get the image is same. Suppose here you can taking 1 and minus 1, f of 1 means 1, 1 plus 1 half, f of minus 1 is also half. Or simply f of a means a square divided by 1 plus a square, f of minus a means a square divided by 1 plus a square, a is not equal to minus a, therefore this function is not 1, 1 functions. It is clear? It is not a 1, 1 functions. Therefore, A and D is not true. Either onto or the range of this function is equal to 0 to 1. And here you know that x square plus 1 square functions, the range is always non-negative real number greater than or is equal to 0. Suppose here put the value of x is equal to 0, then its value is equal to 0. And x square is always less than 1 plus x square, because x square is a positive quantity. Adding 1 plus x square is greater than x square. Therefore, x square is always less than 1 plus x square. Just remember, or rewrite these functions can be written as x square is less than. Here you can write adding and subtracting 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square is greater than 1. Therefore, 1 divided by 1 plus x square is always, it is less than 1. Subtracting 1. It is clear? It is less than 1. The minimum value is equal to, put x equal to 0, you get 0, and the maximum value is equal to 1. Therefore, semi-closed interval 0 to 1. Therefore, the range of this function is always, the range of the function is 0 to 1. 1 is not included. The semi-open interval 0 to 1. Therefore, the range is equal to semi-open interval 0 to 1, and codomain is equal to the set of real number. Range is not equal to codomain. Therefore, this function is not onto functions, neither 1 1 nor onto, but the range of this function is always semi-open interval 0 to 1. Therefore, options C is right options. The correct option is option C. The next questions, question number 22. The range of the functions f of x is equal to sine of greatest integer of x. The given that the domain of this function x is greater than minus pi by 4 and less than plus pi by 4. This one is the greatest integer functions. You know the definition of greatest integer functions. An integer which is less than or is equal to itself. Then the first option, singleton set 0. Options B, set containing the elements 0 and minus 1. Option C, set containing the elements 0 and minus sine 1. And options D, the options D, open interval 0 comma minus sine 1. Here also you know that greatest integer functions, the greatest integer of or integral value is always equal to integral value. If x is equal to 0, the greatest integer is 0. Therefore, the sign of greatest integer of 0 is 0. And also you know that if x lies between 0 to pi by 4, pi is, the value is 3.1412 divided by 4, it is less than 1. It means x lies between 0 to 1. The greatest integer of x between 0 to 1 is 0. Therefore, the sign of 0 is 0. And x is greater than minus pi by 4 and less than 0. It means x lies between minus 1 to 0. It is greater than minus 1 and less than 0. Then greatest integer of x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the sign of greatest integer of x, sign of minus 1 means minus sine 1. Therefore, you can know that the x is greater than 0 and less than pi by 4, the image is only a single values, that is 0. And x is greater than minus pi by 4 and less than 0, all this image is equal to minus sine 1. And if x equal to 0, the image is 0. Therefore, here only two images, 0 and minus sine 1. Therefore, the range of this function f is equal to set containing only two values, 0 and minus sine 1. Therefore, the correct option is 0 and minus sign 1. Options: if A and B be two sets containing 3 and 6 elements respectively, then the minimum and maximum number of elements in A union B. Option A 3 and 6. Options B 6 and 9. Option C 3 and 9, and options D 0 and 9. Here we know that the number of elements of A union B is equal to number of elements of A plus number of elements of B minus number of elements of A intersections B. N of A union B, N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersections B ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Here we get the maximum value of A union B when A intersections B is minimum, and minimum value of A union B when A intersections B is maximum. Then you get the maximum and minimum value of number of elements of A union B. When you say that A intersections B is minimum, A intersections B ಅನ್ನೋದು minimum ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ A and B are disjoint set ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. It means number of elements of A intersections B is 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. A and B are disjoint. We know that A and B are disjoints. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B, that is 3 plus 9, it's 3 plus 6, its value is equal to 9. Therefore, the maximum elements of A union B is 9. And A intersections B is maximum ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, when A intersections B is maximum, A is a subset of B ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. It's clear? A is a subset of B because number of elements of A is less than number of elements of B ಇದೆ. A is a subset of B ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, then you know that number of elements of A union B is exactly equal to number of elements of B. Direct ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, N of A union B is equal to N of B, that value is equal to 6. Therefore, minimum number of elements of A union B is 6. So, maximum number of elements of A union B is 9. Therefore, the answer 6 and 9. That is option B is the right options. Option B. Next, question number 24th. If set A contains the elements 1, 2, 3, then which of the following is not transitive relations on A? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ null set. Options B set containing the elements 3 elements ಇದೆ, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. And option C singleton set 1, 2 order pair. And options D 2 elements set 1, 1 and 1, 2. Here verify which of the following is not transitive. Therefore, here verifying the each elements. Options A, here verifying it is a transitive relations. Just remember, null relation is always symmetric and transitive relation. Therefore, A is always transitive. Next, suppose verifying the C. These are the very important result. Remember, the single element set relation is always transitive relation. 1, 2, that relation is said to be a trivial relations. It is a transitive relations because all single relations, element relations, is always transitive. And options D is also, it is clear, 1, 1 and 1, 2, 1, 1. This one is the identity 1, 1. A is belongs to and A, B is belongs to, or it is always transitive. Or in sometimes given that the relation is not satisfy the basic properties of transitive relations, A, B and B, C is not belongs to, or means this relation is always transitive. Therefore, D is also transitive relations. Therefore, options B is not a transitive relations. Just check here. 1, 1, 1, 2 means it is the first one is 2, 2, 1 and 1, means 2, 1. Therefore, transitive. 1, 2 and 2, 1, 1, 1 is belongs to these relations. Therefore, transitive. But the similar type 2, 1 and 1 comma 2 belongs to this, but 2 comma 2 is not belongs to the relations. Therefore, it is not a transitive. Therefore, the correct option B is not a transitive relations. And last example, 25th question. Functions f from n to n defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, linear function. Option A, 1 1 and into. Options B, 1 1 and onto. Option C, many 1 and onto. Options D, many 1 and into. Remember, you know the 1 1 and onto. Into means it is not onto. Function is said to be into functions, and many 1 means it is not 1 1 functions. It means the many 1 means not onto but not 1 1. 1 1 and into means 1 1 but not onto. Here verifying just 1 1 and onto. Directly verify the given functions f of x equal to 2x plus 3. N is domain, the set of all natural numbers. Here you can taking x1 and x2 are any two natural numbers, f of x1 equal to f of x2, then clearly x1 equal to x2. Or using the differentiations method, just differentiating you get 2 is always positive. Therefore, this function is, you can say that, is monotonically increasing functions. Monotonically increasing or decreasing function is always 1 1 functions. Draw the line parallel to the x-axis cutting only one point. Therefore, it is always 1 1 functions. Therefore, this function is 1 1, either options A or options B. It is clear? Next, verify onto function. Here also onto means the codomain is exactly equal to range. Here codomain is the set of natural number. Here the domain is also set of natural numbers. Here you know the range of the functions. F of 1, the first image is equal to 5. F of 2, the image is equal to 7. F of 3, image is equal to 9. It means here the range, you can say that the range n is equal to, the range of this function is equal to the set containing odd natural numbers greater than or is equal to 5, 7, 9, like this one is not a set of natural numbers. Or simply you say that the first, you can taking x is equal to 1, the image is always 5. This one is increasing functions, the values are increases, the minimum value is equal to 5. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 is not belongs to, these are not a image of any elements of the domain. Therefore this function is not onto. Or you can say that image is not, the codomain is not is equal to range. Therefore this function is not onto. Not onto means into functions. Therefore the given function is 1 1 but not onto. It means into functions. Therefore option A is right options. The correct option is option A. These are the very simple sample problem examples in 2021 CET. In next video we discuss the second unit, inverse trigonometric functions. Thank you.